Today we are gonna make a journaling kit for journaling. Hey crafty mates, it's me Lily. Welcome back to my crafty world. 1 vintage sheets, coffee powder, add water, apply it on white sheet, let it dry well. 2 stickers. Take a self-adhesive sheet. Draw your favorite stickers on it. Cut them and store it in a box or bag. 3. Mini picture flipbook. Print a collage like this one. Cut them all individually. Cut a cover for your flipbook. Apply glue on the top. Stick it inside the cover. 4 quote strips. Draw strips on an adhesive sheet. Write your favorite quotes on it. Then cut them, and store them in a box or bag. 5 pattern sheets. Draw some patterns of your choice on sheets. Done. 6 tapes. Again cut strips of an adhesive sheet. Cut them. Make some patterns on them. It's done. I will meet you in my next video. Till then, enjoy these videos.